Today we're going to be going through how to submit a work order with our new work order system. To submit this, you would go to support.dts.edu. Again, that's support.dts.edu. And you would sign in with your regular username and password. This process should look familiar to you. This is how you would normally sign into any office.com application. Once in, you will come to the landing page and you want to click on Dallas Theological Seminary. That's going to take you to your portal. Here you will see the option to submit a work order. This is where you're going to go to submit a work order for the IT department, for FPO, event services, or mail services. You'll see Bomgar for Windows or Mac. This is where someone from IT can take over your computer and will provide an easy link for that. You'll also see View Solutions, and that's going to be the same as this search bar here. This is where if you're having trouble, but it's something you suspect you might be able to service yourself, you can search there for any solutions that we've uploaded to where users can solve problems. Up in the top right, you'll see our frequently asked questions, and then our support information here. Currently, we do not offer chat support, but that's something we might investigate in the future. On the bottom, you're going to see your requests, pending and completed. These are specific to you as a user. You'll also see announcements from any of the departments listed above. They're able to paste announcements here, such as if there were a power outage or an internet outage. That could be listed here. Finally, you'll see your assets on the right side that are specific assets that are assigned to you as a user. So let's go ahead and submit a work order right here. When you click on that button, you're going to see IT request, FPO, event services, and mail services. Each department has specific work orders that are specified to their needs. I'm going to go ahead and click IT requests, and you're going to see those same departments listed here, and I'm just going to do a general request. To submit this, you're going to find your name is already inputted, your phone number, department, job title, all that information is already going to be listed up top. Let's go ahead and choose a building. I'm going to choose Davidson Hall, and the room number I'm going to choose 110. Under the subject, let's say a printer is not working. Underneath this, you're going to provide as much information as you can to help the technician. So you could provide the printer name, printer location, and a description of the problem. The more information you're able to input, the better. You'll notice that while you're inputting this, it's trying to offer solutions for you. That's going to come from our solution pool. It's basically a knowledge base that we're uploading articles to where if there's a potential solution to the problem you're uploading, you might be able to find that there. You can also hide those solutions. You can drag and drop any files you need to here, and then you can click Add Request. Once you've completed that, you can either go back home or you can view the details of this request. All of these are updated in real time. So anytime there's an update to your request, you're going to see it there. Now you'll notice here in the bottom left that the number pending just went from 10 to 11. Normally you wouldn't have that many requests, but as a user, all of your pending requests are going to be listed here. And here's the one we just created. My printer is not working. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close there. My favorite view for requests that I've created is the requests button on the left side here. And this is going to give us just a simple list of all the requests that we have. And over on the right side, you can see their status, if they're open, closed, pending, or anything of that nature. So I'm going to click on this one right here. This creates for every work order, essentially it's a conversation that you're having with yourself and with any user that is attached to this. So I'm going to go ahead on my side as a technician, and I'm just going to add a quick reply to this issue of the printer that's not working. So I'm going to open this up on my side. You won't see this, but I'm just going to add the word update to this, and I'm going to go ahead and send that. What it's going to do is it's going to send an email to you as a user, and it's going to update this ticket so that anytime any action is created, it will always update and will always send you an update via your email. So that's really helpful because it allows you then to keep up with all of these tickets. And then at the point where the ticket is closed, it will also send you an update and it will also close out the ticket. So I'm going to come back to your window here and I'm going to back out of here. I went ahead and added notes to this and I closed this ticket. So you as a user will be able to see an update for any of the tickets that you create, and you'll be able to essentially have a conversation with the technician. Now this has not been assigned because we just created this, but you'll be able to see the technician assigned and you'll be able to have any conversation with that technician just by clicking on this button right here. So I'm going to go home. I closed out that particular work order, so you'll notice that moved from pending over here to completed. So that's a basic introduction for how the work order system will work here. It's specific to you. It will add all the relevant data you need, and you can essentially dialogue and have conversation with the technician about any issues related to this ticket. And all of that information will also be forwarded to your DTS email address. Well, thank you for your time today. I hope this has been a helpful introduction to our work order system.